Hello everyone. Recently some users reported to me that when using MetaBlRiger or ArkitAutoRiger or metahumanBSRiger, the controller will become invalid when reopening the previously saved project. In fact, I described this problem in the previous tutorial, but I didn't talk about it separately. This time I recorded it separately and how to solve it. First, let's demonstrate this problem. For example, if we open our previous MetaBlRiger project, such as this. This is usually a project that has been built before. Only the header bindings are imported. Then we select the controller to enter pose mode. Then we drag the controller. We will find the head will not move at this time. Then I will talk about it here. How to solve this problem. For example, this time, click Run Rig Logic. It will report this error. Let's stop it. We choose this build rig from DNI. Uncheck. Then it is usually stored here. You don't need to change the path you imported DNA before. Then the head armature here. You may need to choose. Note the one you want to select is head armature. This, then armature. You may need to choose again. If in your project, if everything is set up here, then you don't need to change it anymore. Then the core point. To click on initial DNA. Good. After finishing clicking. Then, click Run Rig Logic. At this time, drag the mouth again. It's ready to move. Good. Problem with MetaBlRiger. What happens after we agree? Next we show ArkitAutoRiger Rigger's problem. In fact, the problem of MetahumanBSRiger is similar to it. Here we use ArkitAutoRiger to demonstrate. Let's open it first. Last tutorial. Demo used. Click Allow. Click this controller at this time. We found that it was motionless. It's the same as here, but it doesn't move. Before we drag the controller, in that tutorial, it moved. And then we're going to talk about it now. How to solve this problem. Create a new empty project. Import using ArkitAutoRiger. 1. Binding again and an idea. Binding. Okay, build this binding. Then build. Well, he will be able to move this time, right? Then, the core is here. We need to take this place. Select and protect. This is where I choose to protect. Then, click again at this time. Save OI. For example, we are here, right? Good. Let's click Save. At this time, open the project just now. Okay, this will happen to him. Open it again at this time. I found this to be okay. The core is to have this code. In fact, based on this similar principle, we copy this code too. Let's open a Blender first. Let's open the project at just had a problem. He won't move it this time. At this time, let's create a script. We copy this. Then paste. Then copy this name too. Okay, then at this time, let's save it again. Come back here. Let's save it again. Okay, save over. We close. Let's start again. Open this project. Just see if it's okay. Then click Run. Still not working. This place is important to register. And then again. Save. We will open it next time. Just take a look and see if it's okay. Still select Allow this place. Good. At this time, we will find out. This can be moved. Then we will summarize it below. If you are previous project, if you want it to move, then just like I did, import this in. Then rename it like this. Then, in this place, just check register. Then save and reopen. It should work. If you are bindings built this way, then pay attention when saving. Select this point. If you check this box and protect it, it should be fine. Okay. What follows? I might do this. Solve and repair below. Well, that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you all.